It's all lies. I'm really considering quitting YouTube for the millionth time.
After 10 days of hard work, I'm stuck with only 31 views. I started with a big smile and 2 thumbs up on day 1, but now I'm worried and asking myself why the algorithm is ignoring me. Why aren't my videos getting the views they deserve? It's time to face the truth and come up with a plan that will turn this mess around. The reality is, I put a ton of effort into this channel. I've fixed 24 settings to optimize my performance and follow 11 tips to grow on YouTube. You can check out my videos on those topics in my playlist. I'll link them in the description below, and I will also link them over here. But despite my hard work, the views just aren't coming on. I mean, it's disheartening. I've put hours into creating quality content, and yet it feels like I'm shouting out into the void. Every time I check my analytics, I see the same numbers. It's like the algorithm is playing a cruel joke on me, and I'm the punchline. It's easy to feel defeated when you see other creators blowing up while you're stuck at the starting line. But here's the kicker. I know I'm not alone in the struggle. Many of us face the same issues, wondering why our content isn't reaching the audience it deserves. This leads to frustration and self-doubt, and that's the last thing we need when trying to build a successful channel. So how do we combat these feelings and move forward? Instead of throwing the towel, I decided to change my mindset. I took a step back and evaluated my current situation. Yes, I was frustrated, but I realized I had 2 choices. I could sulk and give up, or I could get creative and pivot my strategy. I chose the second option. I started by thinking about how I could better utilize my time and resources. While the algorithm may be ignoring me, I decided to focus on building my business outside of YouTube. After all, YouTube is just one tool in our arsenal. I'm working on creating my sales funnel, which will help me capture leads and convert them into paying customers. This is crucial for anyone looking to make money online. Building that list is the key. I realized that my focus shouldn't be just on views, but on creating real value for my audience. I want to build a community with like-minded individuals who are eager to learn and grow together. This means I need to think about what my audience truly wants and how I can provide that in my content. Then there's the vidIQ app. This tool has become my secret weapon. With vidIQ, I can find trending topics and keywords that have high search volumes. It helps me ensure that I'm not just creating content I think is good, but content that people are actively searching for. This is about working smarter, not harder. Now which is designed to keep me focused and consistent. I want to be productive, and this structure helps me do just that. On Mondays, I start the week strong with a 5 to 10 minute overview video on a hot topic. This video serves as a way to engage viewers right from the start and give them a taste of what's to come. It's crucial to grab their attention early. Tuesday, this is my tutorial day. I dive deep into a specific topic, teaching my audience valuable skills related to affiliate marketing or online money-making strategies. This longer video allows me to break down complex ideas in a way that's easy to understand. I want my viewers to walk away feeling empowered and ready to take action. Thursdays, on this day I give progress update on my channel. I share insights about my views, what strategies are working and what adjustments I'm making. Transparency is the key here. I want my audience to feel involved in my journey. This also builds trust, showing them that I'm not just another creator trying to sell them something. I'm genuinely invested in their success. And finally, the weekend, I wrap up the week with a podcast style videos where I discuss trending topics, current events related to making money online. These formats allows me to engage with my audience in a more casual way, sharing my thoughts and insights while inviting them to join the conversation. Now I want to hear from you. What challenges are you facing? Where are you in your plan? If you need advice or help, feel free to get in touch. I'm here to support you on your journey. Building an online business is not easy, and it's essential to have a community that lifts each other's up. If you're struggling with your channel or feeling stuck, let's connect. Whether you need assistance with strategy, content ideas, or anything else, I'm just a comment away. Don't hesitate to reach out. We can work through these challenges together. Before I wrap this up, don't forget to check my next video, where I'll dive into why size doesn't matter on YouTube. Whether you have a small channel, low views, or few subscribers, there's still a path for success. Let's face these challenges head on and turn our dreams into reality. Together we can break through the noise and build something amazing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a 2 thumbs up. Let's make waves in this ocean of content.